Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Handy Manny. Today we have a fridge that has ice built up in the back of this panel. A month ago, I did replace the thermostat. The thermostat is located behind here, and it sits in the top of the evaporator coil. That didn't fix the issue. So we're gonna try to replace the thermostat. Actually, in this model, it's a Whirlpool. This one doesn't have a timer, so most likely this one has a it's called defrost control board. I believe that's bad because I already replaced the thermostat. What happened? Ice builds up inside of this vent. It doesn't allow the air to go through and keep the food cold. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Okay, first things first, we gotta take this screw right here in the middle. Oh, actually, I got shut. I'm gonna unplug this real quick. Safety first. All right, power's off. Now let's take the screw off right here in the middle. It should just drop down. There we go. That's what it looks like. Take that off. So what you want to do, the control board is right here. So you want to replace that. It's pretty simple. There's two wire connectors right here, two clips, and you have to remove that. But there's also two screws right here. You have to remove. So I'm gonna remove that and get this replaced. All right, all I did is I took the screw right here, the two screws, and this one just came off like that. I would like to show it to you guys, it's just hard to, it's hard, I'm holding the phone and it's hard to do with one hand. So the next step is remove these two clips, and that's it. All right, so all I did is I just pulled it, and that's basically it. And we just reverse the process. And I'll go get my new one. Got my new one right here. This old one right there. All right, I got my new one right here. Let's get this installed. Put one right here. Get the second clip in. Let me put this phone down real quick. Just pushed it in. That's it. I'm gonna put the screws back and all right, I got the board installed. Put this back in place now. the long screws back. All right, that should solve your issue. Remember, if you have your freezer is building up, there's an ice buildup behind here. The most common things that components that fails, the thermostat, your defrost control board or timer, or your fan, your evaporator fan inside here. So I hope you guys learn. Please like and subscribe for more fix it yourself videos. Thank you and have a good day.